Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2. Just yesterday I made a video about how the attribute eyedropper could help you find out the angle of something. And it's not that big a deal, but I thought, if you take a triangle and you rotate the triangle 54.6 degrees, how are you going to get that angle? Well, we got a flat surface here. Let's go to the attribute eyedropper. I've already got it in the rotation with nothing else checked. Don't have any of these other things checked or it'll do the other things. But we got the rotation checked. Take a sample of that and put it on there and look at that. It's 54.6 degrees. Now I know the degree because I can find it up here. So maybe it's not that big a deal, but I'm trying to figure out another way that this would be very, very, very helpful. You know what? Let's try. Well, it regardless of what size polygon. Well, I didn't mean to have that checked. Let me draw a new polygon. Get rid of that little dot I made. Let's get a 6-sided polygon. Well, you know what? Let's make it 7. And we're going to rotate. Let's go ahead and fill it in with a color. And let's rotate it just 5 degrees. Let's make a, so we rotated that at 5 degrees. But let's say we don't know that it's rotated 5 degrees. So I'm not 100% sure this is that big a deal, but it can be. So let's now get the attribute eyedropper and take a sample of our new degree. And look at that. It rotated at just that 5 degree. So it's going to match up. I'm still trying to figure out a better way to kind of show it off. But that's pretty cool regardless. If you just happen to have a line that, I don't know, we'll figure it out together. Hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.